Hi there, I'm Kane Ma. Let's talk about the product burndown graph. The product burndown graph shows the total amount of work remaining at the start of each sprint. This graph can provide useful feedback, illustrating both the steady reduction of the product backlog and how the team is performing as a self-organizing unit. To plot this graph, the team would calculate the total amount of work remaining in the product backlog and plot this as a bar graph at the start of each sprint. For example, here our team has completed 4 sprints. During each sprint, an amount of work was completed, reducing the height of the bar graph. Our example team's product burndown may look like this. By referring to the difference in bar heights between sprints 1 and sprints 2, we can see an amount of work was completed from the product backlog. Similarly, between sprints 2 and sprints 3, further work was completed. And between sprints 3 and 4, yet more work was completed. We can now project a trend line through the top of the graphs and extrapolate a date when we think we might finish the product. But what happens if new work is introduced into the product backlog by the product owner? What happens if work is re-estimated by the team? How do we account for these changes? Although this graph works well, it is limited in presenting the full scope of changing conditions faced by most Scrum teams. A better solution to this problem is Mike Cohen's alternative product burndown graph. This is the subject of our next video. Here are some common examples of product burndown graphs.